Alright. Um, let's get this thing done. So, you have what do you have? We are talking about number patterns now. It's the first video. So we're talking about number patterns. The number patterns we are focusing on for grade 10 is linear number patterns. As you get to higher grades, you will start doing quadratic number patterns, but now we're just doing linear number patterns, right? So with linear number patterns, there is one thing you must always know: the general formula, what it looks like. And yeah, so this is just what it looks like. You have Tn equals to an plus, let's say, b, right? And now in terms of these things, what do they mean? This is your term value, right? Term value, right? Yeah, and then this is a, here is your what is your common difference, and then this one it's t1 minus minus a, right? We're gonna talk about like how we actually find each of these. So maybe I can even put it here to say common differences: tn minus tn minus 1, right? Yeah. So this is, I think, like with this thing that I have right here, I am done, right? I am done with this topic of number patterns. With just this, if you can just understand everything that is here, right? So but we're gonna put it into application. We're gonna start applying it. So one thing I didn't talk about is this one, which is the term number. So let me just and it tells you the term number. All right, cool. So I'm gonna give us a pattern, and we're just gonna have to find the general formula of that pattern. And you'll see most of these questions, once you have the general formula, every other question is easy, because then they will ask you a general formula. Okay, before that, yeah, my mind is just, let's go. We have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9, and of course it continues, right? It continues. So now common difference is what I define it as: tn minus tn minus 1, right? So basically we are saying t3 minus t2, right? We are saying t2 minus t1. You see that? So how we're gonna do it is we're gonna find the difference between these two consecutive numbers. Yeah, well, starting with the largest number. So okay, we don't start with the largest number, because yeah, that's gonna bring confusions with other persons. But this is how you do it. So you start here, you say 9 minus 7, the answer is 2. 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. And now you understand, I'm sure, why we call it a common difference. So this is what this is, a, right, which is our common difference, right? So we have found our a right now, and then the next thing we need to find is what is b, which I did say that it is term number 1 minus a, right? So term number 1 is what? It's 3, right? I did say that tn is the term value for the nth number. So when it says t1, we are looking for the term value of term number 1. So term number 1 is 3 minus 1 minus 2, the answer is 1. And therefore tn equals to 2n plus 1. You see, now the reason we are looking for this term number is very simple, because now you will get questions and say you want to know what is the term value for term number 131. Right? So of course you can't keep on adding 2 up until you get to term 131. So now you can use the general formula to say tn equals to 2 into 131. I hope I said 131. I hope I didn't say a number and I forgot which number I said. Yeah, but yeah, plus 1, and then you multiply 262 plus 1, which is 263, right? This is the term value for the term number 131. So do you understand what I'm saying? Eh? Yeah. I can make another example. Let me see. Okay, I'll take an interesting journey to say 7. No. Um, okay, let me see. Okay, I have -3, I have -1, I have 1, I have 2. No. Hey, I wanna. Yes. Let me do what I want to do now. I was thinking of a pattern, which pattern I should take. So I'm gonna take this one. Say we have 3, 1, -1, -3, -5, right? So now we find our common difference, right? By so say -5 minus -3, this is positive, so we have 3 minus 5, which is -2. So this is -2, -3, -1, that's -2, -1, -1, -2, 1 -3, -2. So this is A, right? And now to find B, we like B equals to T1 minus A, which is 3 minus -2, right? Which is 5, right? Therefore, you have Tn equals to -2, which is the common difference, and plus 5, right? And now let's test it out to say T4. So T4 is going to be -2 into 4 plus 5, that is -8 plus 5, right? And that is -3, right? Which is exactly what we have here: term 1, term 2, term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. We're getting exactly -3. You see, cool stuff. No. Okay, cool. So we have something very interesting here. Sometimes for your grade 10 level, you guys are gonna get a pattern of something and you will be asked many questions about it. But usually the question, you have a pattern, of course. This one we see it's made of lines, and you see you have 4 lines here, 4. So here we have, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7. Then you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, this is 7, this is 10, right? This is 10, and they tell you that it continues, right? And then now you can try to find then your common difference, which is 3, and then you know that is A, and then you have B, which is equals to T1 minus A, so that is gonna be 4 minus 3, that is going to be 1. So therefore the general formula for these lines is Tn equals to 3n plus 1, right? Let's test it with 3. That is 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, which is exactly 10, right? Now they will ask you a question: how many lines will be there for term number 50, right? You cannot draw all these things up until term 50. We use a general formula to help us get there, right? So I think that's all. I try to be as much detailed as I possibly can, but what's gonna happen on the next video, we're gonna solve a couple of questions from the exams or tests, right? So I hope by the time we are done, we will be understanding the whole topic of number patterns. I'll see you again.